Hello everyone, welcome to the channel YouMathsTube. We'll solve two word problems today. Let us start with the first problem, problem number 1. Ria bought 23 items that costed $184 and sold the same items with a price of $115. What was the total loss and what was the loss per item? We know loss equals buying cost minus selling price. Here the total buying cost is $184 and the selling price is $115. So the total loss will be 184 minus $115, which gives us $69. So this is the amount of total loss. So the amount of loss per item will be total loss divided by the number of items, which is 23. So we get loss per item equals total loss $69 divided by the number of items 23, which gives us $3. So the loss per item is $3. This is the end of first problem. Let us start the next problem. Problem number 2. Ross bought 45 items that costed $7 each. 5 items are damaged and 40 items are sold with a price of $9 each. What was the total profit from selling 40 items and what was the profit per item? We know profit equals selling price minus buying cost. So buying cost for each of the 45 items is $7, which is the cost of each item, times the number of items, which is 45, which gives us $315. And selling price for each of the 40 items, because 5 items are damaged and he sold 40 items. So 9 times 40, which gives us $360. Now we get profit equals total selling price, which is $360, minus the total buying cost, which is $315. So which gives us $45. But he bought actually 45 items. So the total amount of profit per item will be $45, which is the total profit, divided by the number of items he bought, which is 45, which gives us profit per item as $1. So we should consider here the number of items he bought, not the number of items he sold, to get the profit per item. So this is important to remember. So this is the end of problem number 2. Thanks for watching the video. We'll solve some more problems in coming videos. Thank you.